You're watching Republic TV, and we are now getting a reaction from Amarullah Saleh, the man who is the vice president of Afghanistan and has now declared himself as the caretaker president. He has expressed his respect, support and appreciation for the courageous and patriotic movement of the honorable people of his country. Now, this comes even as we have been seeing reports of Afghans across the country essentially raising the Afghan national flag. Let's go across to the digital desk, and Ankit joins me from there. Ankit, give us more details of what his comment is and what it entails.
Yeah, so basically, Amarullah Saleh, who is leading the resistance against the Taliban in Afghanistan, he has just issued a fresh statement here where he has expressed his respect, support and appreciation for the courageous and patriotic movement of the people of his country. So basically this pertains to people raising the national flag in various parts of Afghanistan, such as Jalalabad. And in fact in Jalalabad, some people were killed too by the Taliban for raising their national flag instead of the Taliban's flag. And he also wrote, salute those who carry the national flag and thus stand for dignity of the nation and the country. In another tweet, he also took on Pakistan's interference in the region. So basically, as we know, Pakistan has been right behind Taliban, and they have also been seeking a huge role for Sirajuddin Haqqani in the new setup. So he has written, nations must respect the rule of law and not violence. And most importantly, he said, Afghanistan is too big for Pakistan to swallow and too big for Taliban to govern. Don't let your histories have a chapter on humiliation and bowing to terror groups. Back to the studio.
All right. Ankit joining us on that. Thank you very much. As Ankit is pointing out, another tweet coming in from Amarullah Saleh, where he categorically has talked about Pakistan interfering and essentially backing the Taliban.